Can somebody explain to me where the hell you check the oil at? Like, I've been looking here for about 10 minutes. Seriously, 10 minutes. And I don't see a oil dipstick anywhere. That's where you put the oil in. Why is the engine still warm? Like, seriously, man, there's no way to check the oil. I know it's definitely not under there. This is all air and turbo shit. Looks like a radiator. Maybe if I take it out in the light. I don't see any place to check the oil. There's really no place to check the oil on the 650i BMW. Like, literally. Alternator looks like up under there. I don't really want to pull this off, because I know there's no way it would be on the top of the engine. Hell no, it's not under there. Here's that's radiator fluid. Here's windshield wiper. This is put oil in, but where's the dipstick? This is a battery post. That's interesting. Now I know that it has a it has an application inside the car that you can check it out. Maybe I'll go wash this bad boy. Maybe I'll just wash it right out here. Okay, but in here, let's see, inside here, this little device that has a vehicle status. I think it has a device, or see right here, engine oil level. Measure engine oil level. Alright, let's see. Measurement only possible while engine is at operating temperature and switch on and vehicle is parked on level surface. Oh, it's not at operating temperature yet. That's a little idle rough. I mean, maybe we gotta take it around the block. It says here though, Engine oil level. Okay. I guess you can measure it here. No service required. It checks the brake pads in 3,500 miles. Vehicle check in 3,800 miles, 38,000 miles. Front brake pads, oh that's cool, 23,000 miles. The hell, this is neat. Engine oil in 6,000 miles. Vehicle inspection, which is that. You see the broke window. No, I'm not getting it fixed yet. It's gonna have to crack all the way over here before I get that fixed. I know that's crappy, but that window is over $1,000. And the last time I got one fixed, a week later, I got another rock chip and it cracked. So we're gonna live with that for a little bit. Brake fluid, next service due by the specified date, June 2019. So guess what? All of these checks that it's talking about, see that one, not that one. Oh, I do have that inspection up this year. See, all of these checks, 3,500 mile brake pads. Well, not that one. This vehicle check is probably going to be a big inspection at 38,000 miles. I probably won't have it 38,000 miles, to be honest with you. Front brake pads, 23,000 miles, okay. But all of these services, and if I want to get the window done, and if I want to get the windows tinted, at least $2,000 minimum. So yeah, that's gonna be pretty interesting. I kind of want to go to car wash, but I don't really want to pay to wash it, and I don't want to do it myself. So that's kind of in a pickle. It's nice out here though. Shit, what to do? It's nice, but you don't want to wash this car with soap in direct sunlight. That just looks terrible. Look at that shit. Man, I tell you the truth, it ain't one thing is enough. Let's go warm it up and let's check this oil, see what it says. Hey, look, it even popped up a little screen there. Now it's got a, let's see, watch the owner's manual. The owner's manual should tell you, maybe this is it, I don't know. It should tell you what type of oil to put it in. Within the next 125 miles, add 2 quarts of engine oil. Let's see, engine oil types to add. Make sure the engine oil has a viscosity SA0. It's not telling me which one to use. I can use 520, I can use 5W30, I can use SE OW40, SE 5W40 can be used. Well, damn. I use 5W30 in my old, in my 540s. I think that's what I'm gonna go with. BMW long life. $10 a quart at BMW. Alright, so I'm gonna go get 2 quarts of SAE 5W30. And that's a pretty neat feature. I like that. It's a good thing I checked. Peace.